Okay, good morning. So last week we talking about set theory. So today we will review from the last exercise and also about Venn diagram to solve to do STEM or problem solving and then certain exercise. So for warming up, I have this three kind of set. Let's try to find out the element of it. So the first one is I have a set of whole number less than 10. So could you mention all the element of this set? Okay, they start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because less than 10, so 10 is not included, and whole number they start from 0. The second set I have a prime number less than 10. So what is the element? Start from 2 and then 3 and then 5 and then 7. That's it. Okay, then for the next one, for odd number less than 10, they will start from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah, I think all of us can do until this part. The second question is, what is the universal set? So the universal set is the set which the member or the element would cover all the other set. So if here I have set A and then set B, if I did this one like this with curly bracket, so I can say that the whole number is the universal set, or maybe in Bahasa we call it as semesta, because 2, 3, 5, 7 and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is already in this set. And then how about the intersection between A and B? Would you mention the member? Yeah, that is 3, 5, 7. So I can write here 3, 5, and 7 for the intersection element. And then how we can draw on the Venn diagram. I will try to draw it here. So here is the first circle for A, and then I will make other circle for B. Move it up. Okay. And then this one for A, and then this one for B. And then how about the universal set? It will be a rectangle on it. So that is for universal set. Now it's our turn to put in the number. So we start from the intersection element first. So 3, 5, and 7 will be here. and then the rest like A, maybe I can move it here so it become proper position. Okay, delete this one first. So here we have 3, we have 5, and we have 7. And then for A, 2 is remain here, and then for B we have 1 and we have 9 here. And then for universal set, we just write the remaining number outside the circle. So like here maybe 0, 1 is already here, 2, 3, 4 then. Maybe I will put it here randomly. 5 is already 6. Okay, 7 is already 8, and then 9 is already here. So this is the Venn diagram from this example. And then if I'm asking you like A union B, so the meaning is the asking for this area, this one, this one, and this one. So how we can mention all of the member? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1. So that is for the union. And then maybe if I'm asking like, how about this one? A union B but complement. So it means they're asking about outside the circle. So maybe this one. No. I'll change to blue. Okay. So what is the member? 0, 4, 6, 8. So complement it means outside from this area. Okay. So we'll continue to the next slide. Here I have function diagram. Try to find out which one is the correct relation from the domain. So on the left we call it as domain, and then for the right one we call it as codomain. Okay, so from what is the meaning of this? Yeah, that is for element. And then how about this one with scratch on it? Mean they are not the element. And then for U, yeah, that is for the union. And this is like N letter, but that is not N. That is for intersection. For me, to make it easy to memorize it, I will use U for U, N for intersection, A for element. So this one, how about like C, that is for subset, and then this other C with scratch is not for the subset, and this one is for empty set. So we can also write it like this. Okay, so this is the relation from symbol and the meaning of that. Next, we will talk more about subset or himpunan bagian in bahasa. If you're talking about how many subset from an element, there will be n to the power of n, 2 to the power of n. So here I have example set of prime number less than 8. So could you mention the member? Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7. So total element is 4. So how many subset on it? We can count it to the power of n. So we will substitute n with 4 because on that set they have 4 elements. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 16 subset. So this is how to count how many subset. And then if I'm asking how to mention all of them, okay, we can mention the subset with one element first. So this 2, 3, 5, 7 only. So total is 4. And then we can mention the subset with two elements. So maybe 2 with 3, 2 with 5, 2 with 7, 3 with 5, 3 with 7, and then 5 with 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 subset. And then we have also subset with 3 elements. I'll put the 3 elements. So 2, 3, 5, maybe 2, 3, 7, 2, 5, 7, and then 3, 5, 7. So total we have 4 subset. And then the last we have subset with 4 elements because maximum is only 4 elements, right? So we have only one variant here. And then the last one we add with one empty set. So if we count it, it's 16. It's same with the amount of this. So again, if you want to find the quantity only, we can go with this. But if you want to find the element for the subset, we can use this one. Next here, I have a problem. So here in a group, there are 9 students who like to watch football. I have 7 students who like to watch basket, and we have 3 children like both. It means these 3 students actually from this football and also this basket. Yeah, so we can say that from 3 students who like both. So when they, they, they also vote for himself for live football, and then it also when the teacher asking like who like the basket, he will raise his hand as well. So this is the problem. So 9. So how to express it into diagram Venn? Remember that this both, if they like both, it means this is in the intersection area. They will be on the intersection area. And then how many students in this group? Do you think that is 9 plus 7 plus 3? But I don't think so. Try to see from this one. So from 9 students who like football, because 3 students is already on the intersection part, it means we have 6 students who like football only. And then for basketball, from 7 students, because 3 they also like football, the intersection area. So here, from this area, from this area, oh, it is only for student only who like basket. So if we count total student, actually that is not 9 plus 7 plus 3. It is not, but that is 6 plus 4 plus 3. So total is 13 student. So this is the correct counting for how many students on that class. If maybe there is someone that they are not they are not like football or basket, it will be appear outside the circle. So that's belong to universal set, but outside the circle. And then from this count, this quantity of student I have, we can formulate this one into like this. So the quantity of A union B, so this is the total student plus the intersection point A intersection B, this student who like both, it equal with the total of student A, which is like football, and then this one for B that like basketball. So if you use this formula, they're asking about total students, so here I'll write it as 8. So the like both I'll write it as 3, this one, and then who like football I put it 6, and then the one who like basketball I put 6. Supposed to be here is 7. Sorry. So 16 minus 3, so that is 13. So it's the same. We can use this one to solve the problem with diagram Venn. We can solve that problem it's only with the formula. So we have to wait to solve this previous problem. This is the one. Okay. So here the last one, I have the other kind of Venn diagram. So this two diagram, it's for if we have two sets that there is no intersection area. Let's say A is 1 and 3, and then maybe here is 2 and 4. So here maybe 5 and 6. So there is no relation between A and B. And also, if I can say A is 1 and 3, how about B 2 and 4? How about S or U universal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? It's different thing with this kind of set. So if here I have A, B, and then this is for the universal, it means all the member of A it's belong to B. Yeah, so A for the intersection as well. So I can say if here I have A is 1, maybe here I have 2 and then 3, and then here is 4 and 5. How about B? Is it 1, 2, 3? Then the universal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I'm asking like A intersection B, it is 1. Completely it's the same with A. And if I'm asking A union B, it will be B because A is include all of A is included on B part. And then the third one, it is the hot. So we have 3 set here. So for this part, it's for the one that choose A, B, and C, the intersection of 3 area. And then this one for the intersection between A and B. And then this area is for C and B. And this area is for intersection A and C. Okay, I think that's all for the Venn diagram, and then the rest you can try to do the exercise first, and then we can discuss the question if you have any challenge on the exercise. Here is the link, so you can use this link. Okay, so that is consists of 10 questions about set your time to do this one. Okay, thank you.